So to become a successful digital nomad, you need to find work that you're passionate about. This powerful framework will get you there. Let's now jump to an exercise and help you find your expertise circles. I want you to first make a list of all the expertise areas that you currently have. And after you're done brainstorming that list, I'd like for you to fill out the 3 circles and try to find your sweet spot. If you don't have any areas of expertise that overlap all 3 circles, don't worry. You can list areas of expertise that you're interested in picking up. You're a smart, motivated, and resourceful human being. In today's information age, you have access to whatever knowledge you like to learn at your fingertips. Heck, you're taking this online course right now because you want to become a successful digital nomad. So feel free to list areas of expertise that you currently have or would like to have in the future and find that sweet spot.